How to add a bookmark on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Safari. So you can see here, tap on Safari here, and it will lead you here to your search icons, right? Now, what you want to do next is on the bottom part, you'll see five different options, and on the very right option here, you'll see all the tabs that you have actually turned on or opened. Now, all you have to do is to choose the tab that you want to add on your bookmark. So for example, let's say this one, I want to add this to my bookmark. Then what you can do is on the bottom part, you will see five options again, right? And here you will see the share icon here. Tap on the share icon and then scroll up until you see the add bookmark here. It's actually under the add to reading list. So tap on add bookmark and then tap on the location here. You can tap on your favorites and then tap on save. Now, what you need to do next is to tap on the bottom part again. You'll see this open book icon, which is the favorites, bookmarks. So you will tap on the favorites here, and then if you scroll down, you will see the NCM 112 mock test prelim here, where you just bookmark or saved as our bookmark. And basically that's it. That's how you add bookmark on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.